Hi guys, I just wanted to do a video on the premium survival kit from Polymath products. Now I have done a video on the mini survival tin, which I paid for, but this one here Polymath products has sent to me to review. So I'm going to give you an honest review of what I think of the premium survival kit of Polymath products. Right, so first off, I took the lid off as far as I got because there's so much stuff in here that if I started messing around with it, I wouldn't be able to get back in the box. So the tin is really nice. I do like the tin. I have been trying to find one myself to use, and I can't seem to find one like this anywhere. So the tin is well made. Has nice two latches on the side, which hold the lid in place. So there you are, and there is a little rubber gasket around here, so to help us make this waterproof. But enough about that, let's get back into the nitty gritty here. So you get paperwork just like you did in the survival tin, the small one. There you are, so full instructions to have a look at. Now, let's see, we'll have, I'm trying to just behind the camera again. So we have a very large candle this time, so it's a larger candle, happy with that. We have a nice compass. So it definitely is an upgrade from the last one. So we have a glow stick. So that's lighting, navigation. And then we have a emergency bag. So the size on it is fully extends to 91 centimeters by 213 centimeters. So a good size bag. And it's orange. We have a bit of cordage. It's nice orange again. So going along with the 5Cs pretty well. We have another one of those towels when you wet it. There. We have a Exogel fuel. We have 20 of the fire wicks from their Polymath products, fire starters. We have more tablets for water. We have a stock cube there. Candle mint cake. The whistle, which also has a ferro rod on the side and a striker on the end. Some hot chocolate. You have some pads for your first aid. You have some pre-injected swabs, so basically some first aid swabs. Rehydration, that's a good one, that wasn't in the last one. We have a spatula, stir your stuff with. Signal mirrors. Signal mirror. Sewing kit. Pencil. We have, that's the cooker, that's the small stove where you bend the shape. I'll come back to that, we'll do it at the end. We have the 1 liter bag, so you can put your water tablets in there to clean water. We have 2 sheets of waterproof paper to write on. And we have some more bandages. So it is a well-rounded kit. Some things I would like to add to this, but let me just lay this all out neatly and then I can explain. Right, so we have some food there. So I grouped all the food together. So that's your hot chocolate, your candle mint cake, and your stock cube. You have hygiene, which you could use for the wet towel. You have communication, possible Tinder also as well, and just take notes. So that's there. You have navigation there. You have cordage there. You have your candlelight stuff here, so that's all your lighting system there. You have your sewing kit there, so I could be fixing your clothes, sewing stitches, something like that. So I can go in either first aid or not. But yeah, another signaling device, which is there. Then you have your bag for water with your water tablet, so that's good. You have your cooker and your gel, so that's a fuel for it. But you also have your wax sticks here, so that's good. Spatula is handy for stirring your drinks, I guess. You have your spark here and your whistle, so that counts as signaling and your fire again. You have your cover here, which also orange, so you use that for signaling as well. And then you have your first aid kit, which is the wipes, the bandages, and then your hydration tablets. And then you have the cooker here, the pan here, so you can cook off that as well to boil water. You can use that to clean water, so it's a nice setup. What I would add to this would be the fishing kit from the mini survival kit there. So I would add that one. I would also add a blade of some sort. I know they can't add it to the kit now because you have to be over 18 to buy it then and all kind of stuff. So it would be more of a headache for them to add a knife to it, but you would need some kind of bladed item to go with this that would help as a survival kit. The other thing I notice is on this cooker here, the little stove, I know it folds up, but then it folds flat, right? So you're putting gel on a flat surface. So I wonder if they could have like another ridge here, or maybe some tin foil or something to make like a little square holder for the gel, so the gel doesn't go off the sides or whatever. Or just an idea there. Maybe like just like 4 little panels that fold up just to hold gel. I mean, that would be good for a solid cube to use as fuel, but I haven't used that gel yet, so I need to test that first. But this is an open box plan here, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Polymath Products Premium Kit. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.